Lisboeta, filled with K-pop fans, walking around Lisboeta, holding the K-pop Grammys. All the K-pop fans are here, roaming the Lisboeta. Lisboeta K-pop. Photo booths and idol merch, posters and fans of idol stars. Walking around Lisboeta, holding the K-pop Grammys. All the K-pop fans are here, roaming the Lisboeta. From the Cotai strip of Macau brings the K-pop Grammys and K-pop fans. K-pop all around, K-popping at the Lisboeta.
Okay, so we are in the Lisboeta in Macau. There's all these K-pop fans everywhere because there's a ton of events in this area, and you can see lots of K-pop stores and different things over there, like this balloon over there. So there's we're gonna just kind of stroll about. I guess the first thing we're gonna do is put it on the map so you can see exactly where we are. So stay tuned, and let's show you a little bit of Lisboeta. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Let's do it. Okay, let's stroll through here a little bit. You can go almost in any direction. But Lisboeta is relatively new. It's just a couple years old. And there's, I think there's a K-pop awards. So you'll see lots of fans everywhere, and there's also some shows tonight as well. So they are all in abundance here. We're gonna stroll around and give you a little idea what it looks like. Lisboeta, as well as the people everywhere. Got some musicians down there, help desk here, IMAX up there, and we're just gonna stroll down. Different things here, Taobao Pet Fair. People are eating over there. Just kind of give you an idea. We'll find some more interesting stuff around here. Okay, a little bit of a food court in there. Tons and tons of K-pop fans. And there's a Pop Mart. Lots of lighting in the Lisboeta. And we're going to be going a little bit around, and then we'll, let me see, I think in this area, there's a car dealership straight ahead. Oh, and there's also the Airborne. So Airborne, here's some Nana loves pets. Looks like they kind of have a pets theme today as well. I think some of the pets themes will bring some dogs, but I don't see any at the moment. And then over there they have indoor skydiving. We're gonna get more into the event because it's okay. You have the nice ceilings up above us, mirrored ceilings. Lots of people everywhere today. I think that since they've been having quite a few K-pop events and K-pop things, and Stray Kids, and which one? And Hyphen. So Sigma. So Sigma. So let's walk this way. We're gonna go back out. We're gonna go outside, so you get a little taste of inside of this one, but it does extend outside as well. There's Bloom. See that down here. Lots of K-pop music. If I get lots of K-pop, if I get music on the side, it'll it'll affect the video, but it'll just share the revenue, I guess. So it won't actually ban it anymore. Some fans to the side, both sides. There's lots of people outside. Let's see what this is all about outside. Oh yeah. Here's a big YouTuber right here. He's got his camera up. Wow, look at there's all these lines over there as well. And I think it looks like I can hear the stage. So it looks like the stage is all getting set up over there. So this Lisboeta, they've created an outdoor arena. We can't really see it with the fence up, but then there's Grand Lisboeta or Grand Lisbon straight ahead, and I guess we'll go inside and then we'll walk through it. I haven't seen it quite this busy, and it's usually always never this busy. But I guess they're probably going to keep having more events because this does bring in the people. There they all are right there. Fun Factory. I think I saw something about Fun Factory. Maybe that's where they have having the award ceremony tonight, maybe. Did you hear that? No? Okay. There goes one of the K-pop musicians. Possibly. So we're gonna go outside where there's a skyline, and we'll see some people, lots of people walking around outside today as well. It's been a while since I've been here. Very nice. Let's do a little 360 here. This whole thing right here is a relic of the James Bond movie, Macau Palace, which used to be out in the ocean when they made the movie. I forget which one. Goldfinger, I think. Okay. Let's go down and explore a bit more. Should we go this way? Let's go this way. Let's see what we can see around here. They've been kind of exploring these food cart things. So it looks like some of them are empty, but some of them have some food, so you can buy some things in some of them. There's the skyline up there. Nobody's using it right now. Oh, some of the K-pop stuff. Want to check it out? So we have lots of fans kind of everywhere today walking around. So I guess exactly what it is the award ceremony for K-pop for 2025. So, what music award?
The Fact Music Award.
The Fact?
Fact.
Fact. So lots of fans are here, and they're going to also be performing a little bit as well. You can see...
There was a sign that showed the Fact Music Award.
Oh, okay. So just so an audience might know, there's some other casinos up there. There's, I think that's Parisian. This whole area is like a sports. They have tennis and different things. And then here's the Grand Lisboeta, and there's the MGM in the background. There's a few other ones over there in the background, Morpheus. So you see lots of people walking around as well. Lots of photo shops, photoism, fun factory. So let's see, what should we do next? Should we go back or walk around the block? I guess let's let me turn this off. Pretty cool. Or so Sigma. Sigma is the new word for cool in the new generation. The Lisboeta Stories of Macau. There we go. Alright, so we're gonna walk back this way. And yeah, basically this is the Lisboeta. And yeah, there's a K-pop awards factory. This one right here, this mural right there is a representation of the first casino in Macau. And that was a mural that was on their wall for the longest time. And then they recopied it over here. And then this is a replica of the James Bond one. So these two have kind of Macau historical references. Pretty cool buildings. So this is very Portuguese style buildings, the color of it. So the casino is designed after that. And we're gonna go back inside and we'll see a little bit more. Let's go on in. You definitely have a Macau vibe with some of the paraphernalia here. Some of the it's a very Macau-like feature. Portugal's kind of China meets Portugal, all Macau vibe. Oh yeah. This is everywhere in Macau in the tourist areas. So this is the space between the two in Lisboeta. So they have lots of coffee shops right here and lots of places to sit. So a lot of people will come outside and hang out in this whole area. And I guess we're gonna probably walk down that way. But this kind of gives you an idea what it looks like. Yeah, up on the wall. Or over there, in front of Rethink Coffee. Want to take a look over there? Oh, Moffy. Goodness. Oh, there's stuff right here. You want to take a look? I'll just end this one in a minute. There we go. So this slice of Lisboeta on this busy day. So they have the K-pop awards night at Lisboeta right here. Grand Lisboa is right there. Got a skyline right there. So we're going to conclude. We're back at the same spot again. Lots of fans. But most of them are at the event, but some of them can watch kind of for free out here. So we'll just go back on in again and then we're going to give a conclusion. That's what it looks like at nighttime.